A Dance of the Forests by Wole Soyinka. 1. Introduction to the play. A Dance of the Forests is a complex symbolic play written by Nigerian Nobel laureate Wole Soyinka in 1960. It was commissioned for Nigeria's independence celebration but serves as a critical reflection rather than mere celebration. 2. Setting and context. The play is set in an unnamed African village during a festival where the people invite ancestral spirits to bless their future. However, instead of heroic ancestors, flawed spirits, the dead man and dead woman, appear, exposing uncomfortable truths from the past. 3. Key characters. Forest Head, a godlike figure who controls the spiritual realm. Aroni, the messenger of the Forest Head, brings the flawed spirits. Demoke, a conflicted carver/artist who struggles with guilt and responsibility. The dead man and dead woman, ghosts representing past injustices. Agboreko, the elder who fears the spiritual revelations. 4. Plot highlights. During the festival, townspeople expect noble ancestral spirits but are confronted with shameful ones. The dead man and woman were unjustly treated in the past by the ancestors of present villagers. Demoke, a modern artist, faces his inner demons and confronts his role in societal decay. Mystical encounters and dances blur the line between the physical and spiritual worlds. 5. Major themes. Past versus present. The play stresses that nations must confront and learn from their historical wrongs. Moral accountability. Heroes are not always righteous. Soyinka challenges blind glorification of the past. Spiritual rebirth. True independence requires a cleansing of past sins, not just political freedom. Individual responsibility. Each character symbolizes the moral choices society must make. 6. Symbolism. The forest symbolizes memory, truth, and the unconscious. The dance is a ritual of self-confrontation and societal awakening. 7. Conclusion. A Dance of the Forests is not celebratory but cautionary. Soyinka calls for self-examination and spiritual growth, warning that without confronting past errors, the future may repeat them. A Dance of the Forest was written in 1960 by Wole Soyinka. Context. It was commissioned for Nigeria's independence celebrations in 1960. While most works at the time celebrated national pride, Soyinka's play was critical and symbolic, warning that true independence requires confronting historical and moral failures, not just political freedom. So, though written for a historic occasion, the play takes a deeply reflective and critical stance rather than a celebratory one.